Alright, we're going to change the spark plug out in our Honda lawnmower. I'll put all the links in the description and part numbers. So this is the Honda NGK spark plug. I'll put the Honda number and the NGK numbers in the description. You're going to need a 13/16 socket. So you might want to check your toolbox if you don't have a 13/16. And this one's a deep walled for a spark plug, so I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a Tecton brand, so I've got that spark plug ready to go. Also, you want to do this when the engine is cool, so that's why I'm going to do it before I do my oil change, because when I change the oil I want to run the motor for a little bit to get the oil hot. So we're going to do this before our oil change. So I'm going to take this little rubber connector here and just pull that off of the spark plug. I'm going to get my socket on there. Comes loose very easily. Just unscrew it by hand. Make sure your washer comes off with it. That's the old spark plug. This is our new spark plug. Got a new washer right there. Nice and clean. I'm gonna start it by hand. Always want to be patient, line things up. Always do them by hand. Don't cross thread anything and ruin it. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the socket to grab that and turn it by hand until. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my torque wrench. I've already got it set to 14 pound-feet of torque. So I'm going to go ahead and put the socket on first before the torque wrench. Okay, so I know I got it on there right. I'm going to tighten it by hand until it just gives me a little bit of resistance. Okay, now I got it on there. It's already saying that it's tight enough, so 14 is not a lot. So it's just kind of snug in there. I'm gonna put the rubber boot back on. Okay, that's it for our spark plug.